Okay, we already reviewed all of these things. Okay, we learned all of these editing tools, and I call it the main tool. But there's one thing we didn't talk about it yet, and that is print. What is it? Okay, I'm gonna click in here and to see and to finally taste it how it does the job. In printing, you can decide on printing your document. You can decide your printer destination in here or save as a PDF. You can decide on pages. You can decide on color, and you have also more settings. Now let's review all of that. So in here you have Foxit Reader PDF Printer, which is a software I installed. Save as a PDF, which is only saving as a PDF really. Let's go with Foxit Reader PDF Printer, okay, a virtual printer. Pages is where you can see all your pages or you can custom it. So for now we have 2 pages. Maybe you want to just print page number 1. So you have page number 1. Maybe you want to print number 1 to number 1 to number 2. So 2 pages. Or you want to just print page number 2 and page number 1. So there you go, you have page number 1 and 2. So that's it. And you can also decide on color, black and white, or color. We have also paper size. We can decide on A4, for example, is good choice. We can also decide on pages per sheet. We can also decide on margins, none, minimum, or custom even. We can also decide on quality, then scale, and then the options for header and footer printings and background graphics. So this is the option for print options that's available in Google Docs, and it's the same thing as you, okay? But in some cases, maybe if your printer is a little bit different, so you might have a little bit different options. So please play around and learn it by your own, and you are the hero, okay? See you in next lecture.